Hey there, history buffs and curious minds. Welcome to a journey through time where we explore the life and times of one of America's most fascinating figures. Ready to dive into the world of America's 16th president, Abraham Lincoln? This isn't just any history lesson, it's an adventure into the lesser known aspects of his life. We're not talking about the boring stuff you learned in school. No. Forget the dry textbooks and monotonous lectures. We're about to uncover some seriously cool and quirky facts about Honest Abe that'll make you see him in a whole new light. From his early days to his presidency, there's so much more to discover. Think you know everything about the man on the $5 bill? Think again. We're talking wrestling matches, wacky inventions, and even his unique sense of humor. And did you know he had a surprising love for cats? Yes, our stoic president had a soft spot for his feline friends. Buckle up, Buttercup, because this is going to be one wild ride through the lesser-known life of Abraham Lincoln. Get ready for a roller coaster of emotions and revelations. Get ready to have your minds blown, because some of these facts are so unbelievable, you'll think we're pulling your leg. But every bit of it is true. But trust us, we're not making this stuff up. We've dug deep into historical archives and verified every detail. This is the real deal, folks, the hidden side of Abraham Lincoln. From his personal quirks to his professional achievements, there's a lot to uncover. So, without further ado, let's jump right in and uncover the fascinating, the funny, and the downright surprising side of one of America's most iconic leaders. We'll explore his early years, his rise to political prominence, and the personal anecdotes that paint a fuller picture of who he was. Get ready to be amazed. This is Abraham Lincoln like you've never seen him before. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride as we delve into the extraordinary life of Honest Abe. From his humble beginnings in a log cabin to his self-education and love for reading, Lincoln's early life was a testament to his determination and intellect. As a young man, he became a self-taught lawyer, known for his sharp mind and quick wit. His legal career was just the beginning of his journey to the White House. Lincoln's political career was marked by his eloquence and his ability to connect with people. His debates and speeches are still studied today for their brilliance and impact. And of course, we can't forget his pivotal role in the Civil War and the signing of the Emancipation Proclamation, which changed the course of American history. His tragic assassination left the nation in mourning, but his legacy lives on. Lincoln's life was a blend of triumph and tragedy, making him a figure of enduring fascination. Today, we remember him not just as a president, but as a symbol of perseverance, justice, and humanity. His story continues to inspire generations. So join us as we celebrate the life and legacy of Abraham Lincoln, a man whose story is as relevant today as it was over a century ago. Let's dive in and discover the many facets of this remarkable leader. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the lives of history's most intriguing figures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Today, we're diving into a lesser-known chapter of American history that might just surprise you. Forget the stovepipe hat and the serious speeches for a second. We all know Abraham Lincoln as the 16th President of the United States, the man who led the country through the Civil War and abolished slavery. But there's another side to Lincoln that many people don't know about. Picture this, a young, lanky Abraham Lincoln stepping into a wrestling ring. Yes, before he became a lawyer, a congressman, and eventually the president, Lincoln was known for his physical prowess and athleticism. Yep, you heard that right. Honest Abe was a wrestler. And not just any wrestler, but one who was highly respected and feared in the ring. Now, we're not talking about the kind of wrestling you see on TV with folding chairs and body slams. This was the 19th century, and wrestling was a much more straightforward and gritty affair. This was good old-fashioned grappling, and apparently, Lincoln was pretty darn good at it. He was known for his incredible strength, long reach, and quick reflexes. Legend has it, he only lost one out of his nearly 300 matches. That's an impressive record by any standard. His most famous match was against a local bully named Jack Armstrong, whom Lincoln defeated in a display of sheer strength and skill. Some folks even say he used his wrestling skills to intimidate his political opponents. Imagine facing off against a man who not only had a sharp mind, but also the physical ability to back it up. Now that's what we call a power move. Lincoln's wrestling prowess earned him a reputation that extended beyond the ring. It was said that his physical abilities gave him a commanding presence that was hard to ignore. It just goes to show, you don't want to underestimate a man who can handle himself in a scuffle. Lincoln's wrestling skills were a testament to his determination and resilience, qualities that would later define his presidency. So next time you see a picture of Lincoln looking all stately and presidential, remember that beneath that calm exterior was a man who could take down an opponent with a swift takedown. His wrestling days were a crucial part of his early life, shaping the leader he would become. Who knows? Maybe he could have taught those WWE guys a thing or two. Lincoln's legacy as a wrestler is a fascinating glimpse into the multifaceted nature of one of America's greatest leaders. It's a reminder that even the most iconic figures have hidden depths and unexpected talents. In fact, Lincoln's wrestling achievements were so notable that he was inducted into the National Wrestling Hall of Fame in 1992. This honor recognizes his contributions to the sport and cements his place in wrestling history. Growing up in the frontier town of New Salem, Illinois, Lincoln's wrestling skills were honed through countless matches and challenges. It was a rough and tumble environment, and wrestling was a popular pastime that tested a man's mettle. Friends and contemporaries often spoke of Lincoln's physical strength and agility. They recounted stories of his legendary matches and the respect he commanded both in and out of the ring. As Lincoln transitioned into his political career, the discipline and tenacity he developed as a wrestler undoubtedly played a role in his success. His ability to stand firm in the face of adversity and his strategic thinking were qualities that served him well in the political arena. So, the next time you hear about Lincoln's Gettysburg Address or his leadership during the Civil War, remember that this great man also had the heart of a wrestler. His journey from the wrestling ring to the White House is a testament to his extraordinary character and determination. Lincoln's legacy continues to inspire and captivate us. Whether as a wrestler, a lawyer, or a president, his story is one of resilience, strength, and unwavering commitment to his principles. And there you have it, a glimpse into the lesser-known side of Abraham Lincoln. A man of many talents, whose wrestling days are a fascinating chapter in the story of one of America's most revered leaders. So, let's give a cheer for Lincoln the wrestler, a true American icon who proved that greatness comes in many forms. Thanks for joining us on this journey through history. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this next fact might just surprise you. Abraham Lincoln, the man who led America through the Civil War, was also an inventor. That's right, this president had a knack for tinkering and coming up with new gadgets. Now, he wasn't exactly Thomas Edison, but Lincoln did actually hold a patent for a pretty ingenious invention, a device to lift boats over shoals. You see, back in the day, navigating shallow rivers could be a real pain. Lincoln, ever the problem solver, came up with a system of inflatable bellows that could be attached to a boat's hull, lifting it over obstacles. Pretty clever, huh? Sadly, Lincoln's invention never really took off. Maybe if he'd had more time between freeing slaves and preserving the Union, he could have revolutionized river travel. Still, it's pretty cool to know that even presidents have a little bit of inventor in them. Section 4. A cat in the White House. Lincoln's furry friends. Okay, time for a little cuteness overload. It's no secret that presidents often have pets. But did you know that Abraham Lincoln was a serious cat lover? Yep, this tough-as-nails president had a soft spot for furry felines. In fact, Lincoln adored cats so much that he had several of them living in the White House during his presidency. He'd even let his cat Tabby eat at the dinner table with him using a small gold fork. Now that's what we call living the good life. Word on the street is that Lincoln found comfort and companionship in his feline friends, especially during the stressful days of the Civil War. And hey, who can blame him? Cats are pretty awesome. So next time you're cuddling with your own furry friend, remember that you share a love for cats with one of America's greatest presidents. Section 5. Laughing through the hardships. Lincoln's humor. Alright, we've talked about Lincoln's wrestling skills, his inventions, and his love for cats. But there's another side to Lincoln that often gets overlooked. But did you know that this dude was also a master of humor? Yes, Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, was not just a leader in times of turmoil, but also a beacon of lightheartedness. That's right, even in the midst of a civil war, Lincoln knew how to crack a joke and lighten the mood. Imagine the weight of the nation on your shoulders, and yet you find the strength to smile and make others smile too. Lincoln believed that humor was a powerful tool, not just for making people laugh, but also for diffusing tension, coping with stress, and even making important points. He used humor as a strategic tool to navigate through the complexities of leadership. He was known for his witty remarks, his self-deprecating jokes, and his ability to find humor even in the darkest of times. His humor was not just a personal trait, but a leadership strategy. Now, some folks back then thought his sense of humor was a bit undignified for a president. They believed that a leader should always be serious and stern. But you know what? We say kudos to Lincoln for keeping his spirits up and spreading a little joy during a really tough time. His ability to laugh and make others laugh was a testament to his resilience and humanity. After all, laughter is the best medicine, right? Lincoln's humor was not just about making jokes. It was about connecting with people, showing empathy, and building a sense of community. So, next time you're feeling down, remember the example of Honest Abe. Think about how he used humor to navigate through one of the most challenging periods in American history. A good chuckle can go a long way. Whether you're dealing with personal challenges or professional stress, a little humor can make a big difference. Lincoln's legacy teaches us that even in the darkest times, a smile and a laugh can be powerful tools for resilience and connection. So let's take a page from Lincoln's book and find moments of joy and laughter in our own lives. After all, if a president can find time to laugh during a civil war, surely we can find a moment to smile in our daily lives. Lincoln's humor was a reflection of his wisdom and his understanding of the human spirit. It was his way of staying grounded and connected to the people he served. So let's honor his legacy by embracing humor and spreading a little joy wherever we go. In the end, Lincoln's humor reminds us that no matter how tough things get, there's always room for a little laughter. And that, my friends, is a lesson worth remembering.